This is Rekha. Welcome to my channel and welcome to the second session of test software testing course. Okay. So in this I start with the question that when testing start. Okay. When testing start. It start before coding or after coding. Okay. When testing start. So basically testing start this process is start simultaneously with the development, means testing and development start simultaneously after analysis process. Okay. Testing execution start after coding, but preparing a test case design start with the development process. Okay. Testing having two parts. It's primary and secondary. Prime and second. Okay. So in primary, test case design is there. And in secondary, test case execution is there. Okay. In primary, PRS, SRS, design and coding. And in secondary, test case execution only is there. Different types are there. I'll discuss it in later after some videos. Okay. See guys, SRS goes to the development team and testing team on same day, and after SRS, development team start with the coding and testing team start with the test case design. Okay, got it? So I'll explain the fish diagram. So let's go on fish diagram. I'll explain in detail. Fish diagram is nothing but STLC, like this testing representation. Okay, nothing but fish diagram. Here the first phase is information gathering, during which BA, that is business analyst, prepare the BRS, that is business requirement specification document with respect to the customer requirement. Okay. Then second phase is analysis. Here during this phase, BA analyze the BRS and prepare SRS, that is software requirement specification with respect to BRS, is called also functional requirement specification. Okay. After that, BA review their own document. What they review? They review, are the requirement correct or not? Are the requirement complete or not? In short, business analyst review the completeness and correctness of the document. Then they'll check, is they achievable with respect to technology? Are they reasonable with respect to the time, or are they testable? All this part will review BA analyst in review part. Okay. After this, third phase is design. Here the developers team start with the design. Okay, they'll design the design HLD and LLD, that is high level design and low level design. After that, they'll review their own document. Here what they review? They review, are the design right? Are the design understandable? Are the correct requirement met or not? Is the design complete and correct? Is the design followable with respect to the coding? do they handle the error or not. All this part comes under the review. Okay, then developer team start with the coding. Okay, here developers team start with the coding and checks their own code. Okay, after completion of analysis and design phase. Okay, during this phase coding, they will conduct review for completeness and correctness of the program. Okay, then you can say developer here apply unit testing through a set of WPT, that is white box testing technique. This is also called as micro testing. Okay, then this is nothing but static testing verification. Okay, what is static testing? BA analysis their SRS, their own document, then design people like review their own document, and code developer people review their own document. This is nothing but static testing. And black box testing and maintenance comes into validation, that is dynamic testing. Okay, BBT, that is black box testing, is very vast type. Okay, I'll cover up in separate video. Fine, so keep watching my video. Thank you guys, thank you for watching my video.